So friends, recently this company ad YAY portal. What is this? Ye portal? Yes. This ad has been coming to my social media platform each and every time I open my Facebook, Insta or TikTok. I don't know why this ad is coming again and again. So let's just check out what is this actually. It says Ye portal, ride, food and many more. And yesterday I watched an ad. It says that if I install this application, I will be getting 300 AED as benefit. Okay, so I will just install the application from here, but I would recommend you if you can just install the application from Play Store. Okay, so we'll just check their official Facebook also. Okay, it is asking me to download the application from Play Store itself. Okay, and if you check, it shows like this Ye portal, and then the next it's like a taxi drive. We can just book our ride from here, and the next also it shows the same, and we can order our food from here. So what we'll do, we'll just simply install the application, and it is installing from the official Google Play Store itself, and we'll wait until the application gets installed in my mobile phone, and we'll do a quick setup. Okay, it is installing. Okay, as you can check, the application is successfully installed in my mobile phone. I'll simply open it, and it looks like this. I will just allow the notification. I think it's good. Okay, Ye portal, and I'll choose the language. It should be English. Okay, and I will provide my mobile number here. Got it. So I'll just click on continue, and it says it can send me OTP via WhatsApp or SMS. So I'll just choose WhatsApp. So we have entered the OTP successfully, and we need to enter our name and password. So just kindly be along with me. I will enter the name and password. Okay, name is my name, Bipul Dash, and the password is okay. And after that, I will just simply click on continue, and we'll allow the map. Complete your profile. I will do it later. So you can check the application looks like this. It says 1000 coin, 300 gift or wallet 0. Okay, I suppose this is my right now. Okay, and here we can just book a taxi now and book later, airport transport, e-care, customer service I suppose, and the payment method, and then we got here personalization. So this is the home page of this application. And new month, new A moments get 5 points per AD. Okay, share A with this November, refer a friend, and then get 500 A coins. Okay, if I refer this application to my friend, I can get 500 A coins, which I can use or utilize afterwards when I just book my taxi. This is good. And the next one says keep your streak going, get 150 coins when you complete 3 rides a week. Wow, this is also good. Okay, and this section is empty because I haven't added anything in my favorite. And this is calendar, I suppose it is upcoming. It is not here right now. You can check, it is upcoming. Okay, and this is the wallet where I need to add my balance. Okay, or if I want to send balance to someone. And this is my profile where I will add everything like payment method, change country, personalization, referral code. I'll get it here. If I want to change my mobile number also, I'll be doing it here. And if I want to check my history, I can just click on that tab and check all the history. This is good. And even I can change my profile picture. Sounds good. This application is good. Before I used to use this application called Karim. So I'll just check. If I click here, it gives me option to book a taxi. Okay, this is also good. So right now I'm not booking any taxi because I don't have to go anywhere. But obviously if I'm going somewhere, then I will definitely use this application because I think I'll be getting some benefit. Like it says 50%, you see 50% cashback. If my bill is like 100 dirham, I may get 50% cashback. So this will be good for me. Okay friends, so this is the application, application that was coming again and again in my social media feed, and I have installed this application. In the similar way, you can also install the application and enjoy the facilities provided by application. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like the video, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.